so we can level it out nicer with the bricks. This sand here basically is just putting a covering over top so we can level it out nicer with the bricks. Good, everything's going really well. You know, got a bunch of things happening, and it's never exciting to have so much stuff under the go and try to get things done chronologically, you know, individually, complete the project. There's been a lot to this project. You know, we were gone for a week because they're making some decisions on what to do and that, and ordering the gas line and stuff like that. Always presents a little bit of a challenge. Right now, so we're hoping to be finished today, if not today, tomorrow.